Welcome to Mathematics Online Lecture Series by Professor Kevin Nelson. Today's topic is volumes, finding the volumes using triple integrals. Okay, look like this is similar to the volumes using double integrals. Now, what is the formula for finding the volume? Volume V equals to formula for finding the volume triple integral of dx dy dz over the volume d. Using this formula, we will find the volume. Already we discussed the concept in the earlier class. Now, first for finding the volume, first find out the region, then find out the limits, then find out the integral value. So, first problem. Find the volume of the solid bounded by the planes x equals to 0, y equals to 0, z equals to 0, x plus y plus z equals to a. Now observe, this is x-axis, this is y-axis and z-axis. Y is the origin. Now which is in three-dimensional coordinate system. X equals to 0 is nothing but yz plane. This plane is called yz plane, x equals to 0. Y equals to 0 is xz plane, this side, and z equals to 0 is bottom part, xy plane. And x plus y plus z equals to a is a plane intersects the three coordinate axes f, a, b, c. So whose intercepts are x by a plus y by a plus z by a equals to 1. So whose intercepts are a 0 0, 0 a 0, 0 0. A. Now this is the tetrahedron. Now we will find the volume of this tetrahedron using triple integrals. So volume equals to triple integral of dx dy dz. Now what about the limits? dz, dy, dx. I will take first z, then y, then x. You may take any order. So from the given problem, if you observe, the tetrahedron is located above the xy plane, bounded by these four planes. So initially x is 0 in this tetrahedron. Initial values x is 0, y is 0 and z is 0. So initial limits are zeros. Now from this one, z equals to a minus x minus y. After finding the z limits, x plus y plus z equals to a, from this one z equals to a minus x minus y. After finding the z limits, now remove z, what is y? A minus x. In the similar way, after finding y limit, you simply replace it, remove this one, x equals to a. So this is same as z equals to 0 to the plane. The plane is this one, x plus y plus z. From this one, z equals to a minus x minus y. Now for finding the y limits, now observe the projection region in xy plane along y-axis from this line to this line. This line to this line is a minus x. After finding the limits of y, now observe along x-axis, x is 0 to a. Now first integrate with respect to z, then integrate with respect to y, then integrate with respect to x. X is 0 to a, y is 0 to a minus x. Integral dz is z, limit 0 to a minus x minus y dy dx. X is 0 to a, y is 0 to a minus x. Now substitute z limit, a minus x minus y. Now second limit is 0, no need to write, dy dx. Now integrate with respect to y. Integrate with respect to y. Then now integrate with respect to y. X is 0 to a, Now integration with respect to y, a minus x is constant, integral dy is y, integral y equals to y square by 2. dy. Earlier we solved the same problem using double integrals, now using triple integrals. X is 0 to a minus x into a minus x minus a minus x whole square by 2. Now a minus x whole square is a common term. 0 to a minus x whole square, a minus x whole square, a minus x whole square into 1 minus 1 by 2 dx. Now 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. A minus x whole square integration is a minus x whole cube by minus 3. 0 to a. Put x equals to a, 1 by 2, first value is 0. If you put x equals to a minus a is 0, minus or minus plus 1 by 3 times 1. If you put x equals to 0, so answer is a cube by 6. Now second problem, similar problem. Find the volume of the tetrahedron bounded by the planes x equals to 0, y equals to 0, z equals to 0, and x by a plus y by b plus z by c equals to 1. In the earlier problem, x by a plus y by a plus z by a equals to 1. Now different values. Same procedure. X axis, y axis, z axis. A 0, 0. This point is 0, b 0. This point is 0, 0, c. 0, 0, c. So volume, same procedure. Volume V equals to triple integral of dx, dy, dz. Over the volume. Now, z limits. From this one, z limits equals to, from this one, z by c equals to 1 minus x by a minus y by b. So, c into 1 minus x by a minus y by b. Lower limits are zeros, already we discussed in the earlier problem. Now, after finding the z limits, now remove this one. What is y value? Y equals to y by b equals to 1 minus x by a. From this one, y equals to 1 minus x by a into b. After finding the y limits, remove these two variables, x equals to a. X equals to a. dz, dy, dx. So first integrate with respect to z. X is 0 to a, y is 0 to b into 1 minus x by a. Integral dz is 0 to c into 1 minus x by a minus y by dy dx. Now, x is 0 to a, y is 0 to b into 1 minus x by a into c into 1 minus x by a minus y by b dy dx. So integrate with respect to y, integrate with respect to x. So if you integrate, finally you will get a b c by 6. If you want the remaining solution, check our previous lectures in our YouTube channel. Check the previous lectures. You will get the complete solution of the remaining part. Welcome back. So now we will discuss another problem for finding the volumes using triple integrals. Find the volume common to the cylinders x square plus y square by x square plus y square equals to a square and x square plus z square equals to a square. Already we discussed the same problem using double integrals. Now we will find the volume using triple integrals. Now first find out the region. What is the region? Find the volume common to the cylinders. So this is x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. X square plus y square equals to a square represents a circle in xy plane, but z is not given. Now extend z values. Okay. Now this is the cylinder. In a similar way, x plus z square equals to j square. This is also a cylinder. X, z. Now this is a cylinder in xz plane. Now extend to y-axis. This is the cylinder. So combine these two. What happened? You will get the cylinder. Okay, both the radius are same. So this is look like, observe this one. Now this is this cylinder parallel to z-axis, and another cylinder, this is the cylinder. Now this is the cylinder parallel to this one. This is x square plus y square equals to a square cylinder. Now this is x square plus z square equals to a square. Now what is the common region? The common region of this cylinder and this cylinder. So inside region is the inside volume. Now we will find the inside volume. So very simple. Same procedure. Volume equals to triple integral of dx, dy, dz. Okay. If you observe, above the xy plane volume is same as the below xy plane. So I will take 2 times. So above xy plane means x is 0, y is 0, z is 0. dz, dy, dx. From this one, what is the z limits? Root over a square minus x square. Root over a square minus x square. Okay. Now y limits. For the projected region in xy plane, it is a circle. X square plus y square equals to a square. Reference above xy plane only. Above xy plane. Minus root over a square minus x square to root over a square minus x square. Okay. Now x limits along x-axis from this point to this point, minus a to a. Now first integrate with respect to z, then integrate with respect to y, then integrate with respect to x. Here there is no z term. To x is minus a to a, y is minus root over a square minus x square to root over a square minus x square. Z limits root over a square minus x square. dy dx. Now this is 2 times of x is minus a to a, y is minus root over a square minus x square to root over a square minus x square, root over a square minus x square, dy dx. Now integrate with respect to y, then integrate with respect to x. Here there is no y term, only integral dy equals to y. So the remaining part of the solution is available in lecture number 31, 32, 33 in my YouTube channel. Refer the complete solution already solved in the earlier problem. Answer is 16a cubed by 3 is the answer. So you will get the rest of the part in our earlier lecture, previous lecture, YouTube channel 31, 32, 33. You will get the remaining integrals, complete integrals. Okay.